Hello, tornado.
Okay, well, concern is the multiple vortex thing also. Alright, thank you.
Yep, I can see exactly what they're talking about. The multiple vortice tornado. It's headed its way towards Huntington. It's at 2450 Chisholm. You remember where that is? It's at 2450 and Chisholm right now.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. It's almost out of our range, but it's still causing havoc.
By JOY go.
I've got like 5 storm chasers in my house right now. Y'all are okay. It's still moving away from me.
Looking around. Do you have rain or anything like that?
Y'all are okay. It's still moving away from the storm, but I'm gonna chase this out to
Henry, please pull back about a mile and a half.
I was saying, my net control guy, he's wanting me to follow it until I get out to Gregory.
W5D, I'm at 35 and Lone Oak. Just receiving heavy rain right now.
Okay, thank you. K0 CSW, go ahead, Lucas.
Charlie, Sierra, Whiskey, current location 1137, 455.
What do you see?
Rain wrap, my northeast.
Okay, go ahead and start heading back to Denton. KF5, LKJ, net control.
Net control, this is LKJ, go ahead.
Colton, I need you to look at north-northwest. What do you see?
Confirmed, multiple vortice, full tornado on the ground. It's at 2450 and Huntington, it looks like.
IPT go, and I got your report call. India Papa Tango, go.
Were you calling Echo Papa Tango on that?
Negative, I thought I had India Papa Tango. May have been Echo Papa Tango.
Well, I can confirm a tornado is on the ground right here. I'm trying to figure out where I'm at. Stand by.
Okay, 85OP, what do you see?
85OP, I'm caught by trees right now, but I'm just north of 455. It is just to my northwest. Very large rotation, and emergency services are staging right here.
Thank you. WA5, TKU.
That's TKU.
What you got currently, Wes?
Seeing one that just formed and hit the ground to the west or northwest of me. It's Indian Trail and 455.
Okay, that puts it northwest of Bolivar, is that correct?
Correct. It appears to be north of 455.
Okay, thank you, Wes. Weather service? OP, go.
Echo Papa Tango. I am at 2450 in Chisholm Road, and it is my due west, and there is one on the ground. Action 2.
Okay, copy 2. National Weather Service.
Weather service.
Okay, my reports are putting it northwest of Bolivar at this time, west of Chisholm in 2450.
I copy, thank you. And 5 AFT Weather Service.
K9 FTW mobile. K9 FTW, location and your report.
Forester and Wade Road. Multiple trees down. Lost visual.
Okay, mile and, well, 1.5 kilometers north of 455 outside of Bolivar.
This is
That'll be
Golden.
a northwest area.
So northwest of Bolivar.
Yes.
QSL.
It's still moving.
581 service.
It's still moving.
K0 CSW, net control.
It's still heading north. It's getting ready to trash Huntington.
Lucas, that's putting it to your northeast. Do you still have rain wrap conditions?
It's at it just passed 2450 and Chisholm. It's on its way to Huntington. Or at 2450 and Quigley.
Okay, thank you. 85 OP, net control.
Alright, I'll call you back in a few minutes.
Start report, please.
On 2450, it appears to be tracking 10 to 2450 now. One of them, and the other one appears to be just west of 2450, about a mile and a half north of 455. I am behind fire rescue.
Okay, so it's in between 455 and Gregory.
Seemingly so. We've come to a stop again.
Okay, thank you. KG5, AEN, net control.
And the next control, go ahead.
Did you look into your southwest, west-southwest, please?
Will do.
KG7, CAO.
Go ahead.
Same thing for you, west-southwest, please. It's going to be coming in your general direction.
Received.
OP go.
I don't see the second funnel anymore. Just the main thing. Looks like it's east of 2450, heading probably towards Lone Oak direction.
Okay, thank you.
LKJ to net.
Go ahead, Golden.
It is crossing 2450 now here at, let me get a crossroad for you, just one moment.
Don't get too close to it, Golden. You're awful close already.
EPT, for those guys that are calling that out on 2450, they're just north of Chisholm.
KE5, KYT, this is net control.
Call me.
KE5, KYT.
KE5, KYT, go ahead.
Jody, that one is coming up on Gregory Road off of 2450. Go, Ken.
Does the radar show anything behind it? Because I'm looking at back towards my west, and there looks like there may be another area that's dropping down that direction.
More activity out in Wise County, but doesn't look like it's going to do too much to it. I do see a line building back by Young, but that's still a good little bit of time out. I think this is going to be a long night. Okay, I believe that was our K9 station. You are chopping out pretty badly. Try again, please. UQL, this is net control. What do you got, sir?
Right now, I'm in clear weather, no heavy rain, no hailwinds. I'm kind of on the south end of everything. I think it's pretty far north of me right now.
Okay, thank you. KF5, LKJ.
LKJ, go ahead.
Colton, what have you got?
Right now I'm only seeing a single vortice. It's about 1.5 to 2 miles west of 2450. Looks like it's almost to Gregory Road.
Okay, thank you. 85 OP, net control. Yeah.
Okay, it is actually still west. It is actually still west of 2450. It is one single wedge funnel cloud. Cannot tell if it's all the way to the ground or not because it's obscured by the hill.
Okay, thank you.
ETF, man.
ETF, go.
I have a visual to my southwest, what looks to be a wedge tornado, about 1.5 miles from me.
Okay, I don't have you on APRS. I need your location.
I am at 2450, just to the north of Chisholm Road.
Okay, thank you. Go, Ken. 85 OP, go.
It has changed direction. It is coming towards the east now. It's no longer going northeast. I had to turn around because it started coming towards me.
Okay, so it's running parallel to Gregory now, but south of Gregory?
I just passed Chisholm. It's just a little bit north of Chisholm, north of 1300. What's the name of that street there? Emerson Court.
Okay, thank you. KF5, LKJ.
LKJ, go ahead.
I want you to pull back. It's really close to you.
LKJ, pull him back.
85, JOY.
JOI.
Henry, can you get to 455 for me? I want you to head east. You're eventually going to come up on Sam Bass Road. I want you to start heading north on Sam Bass.
Okay, repeat that again, please. 455 to Sam Bass.
Then you're going to make a left, go north on Sam Bass.
It is right at 2450 right now.
Thank you. KF5, LDJ, net control.
KF5 LDJ.
Michael, when you get to Bell's Road, I want you to take the Bell, head west, and I need you to head north on Metz Road.
Copy, west.
I'll keep an eye on that one. KF5, LKJ, net control.
LKJ, go ahead.
Colton, I need to know what you see near door, and I need you to just look the same, back to the southwest, same place that Ken's looking.
AN to net control.
AN, go.
I'm starting to see a pea-sized hill here, Lone Oak East. I'm not sure exactly. Looks like I'm coming up on Elm Grove Road. Should be on APRS as well.
Okay, got you. KF5, LDJ.
Weather service.
Weather service, go.
Yeah, we need eyes on that second wall cloud.
Okay, KF5, UQL, net control.
Go.
Need you to be looking again to the west. I need you to see if you can find the second lowering.
KE5MZT to net.
Sarah Ann, if you can do the same thing for me. I'm seeing north on 35.
Okay, you want me north on 35? I'm sitting on the Rector Road Bridge right now.